A 750-acre-plus Beanblossom Bottoms Nature Preserve, a complex of protected wetlands on the Beanblossom Creek northwest of Bloomington, features a diverse combination of lowland ecosystems, from wet, bottomland hardwood forests to shrub wetlands, sedge meadows, and successional fields. In addition to the soggy wetlands, this natural area is home to nesting bald eagles. In early summer, the bottoms provide habitat for turtles and other amphibians, as well as wetland wildflowers such as swamp rose, prairie rose, and evening primrose. Beanblossom Bottoms is also a popular hiking spot. This rare lenticular cloud formation fascinated this group of hikers from the Sierra Club. Historically, lenticular clouds have been associated with alien spacecraft. Several viewing platforms are placed strategically around the preserve. In winter, Beanblossom Bottoms transforms into a frigid, near-lifeless landscape. The creek freezes over. Dried sedges blow in the biting wind. The raised boardwalk is footprint-free. The Cedars Preserve is an isolated, remote forest at the end of a dead-end road south and west of Bloomington. Its 44 acres feature a 20-acre stand of mature eastern red cedar trees, along with a seasonal creek and karst features. A well-marked loop trail system follows the creek and ascends a hill around and through the cedar grove. In early spring, wildflowers such as trillium, wood poppy, and wild geranium blanket the forested floor. Occupying 13 acres on Bloomington's far west side, Wayne Woods is one of Indiana's smallest nature preserves. It packs into a small space a variety of natural features, including mature hardwood trees that thrive in its moist conditions, a spectacular display of spring wildflowers, including zigzag spiderworts, and several sinkholes typical of the karst area the woods lie in. Steep and forested, the 15 acres known as Lake Lemon Woods occupy a 100-foot hillside northeast of Bloomington on the developed north shore of Lake Lemon. A multi-loop trail offers a range of hiking routes from a short, relatively level walk paralleling the road to a strenuous ascent to the ridgetop. The mature forest produces an open, airy feel even in summer when brightly colored fungi dot the trail. The 66-acre Scarlet Oak Woods features mostly mature, ridge-lined forest in eastern Monroe County with a deep valley and intermittent stream. It is named for its scarlet oak trees with their bristle-shaped leaves that turn brilliant red in the fall. Bordering a unit of Morgan-Monroe State Forest, this preserve features a 130-foot drop from ridge to geode-strewn creek, which, in deep winter, is characterized by ice formations on the frozen stream. Located in western Monroe County, the 190-acre Porter West Preserve contains a combination of mature and young forest, early successional areas, small ponds, sandstone outcrops, and karst features that include sinkholes and a spring. A trail from the parking lot splits, with one branch going north to the woods and the other continuing west through an open area to the ponds. In summer, the Porter West Field brims with common daylily, birdsfoot trefoil, Deptford pink, fleabane, Japanese honeysuckle, crown vetch, and a variety of winged creatures. The Powell Preserve features a 100-foot relief with a diverse mix of ecosystems, from forested hills, bottomland woods, and wet meadow to a prairie area with dazzling wildflowers such as wild bergamot and purple coneflower. Its 67 acres in northwest Monroe County border Beanblossom Creek and support swallowtail butterflies and other wildlife. Located just west of Columbus, the 32-acre Tangeman Woods features an outdoor lab nature trail, which was created in the 1970s as an outdoor education lab by the Bartholomew County Soil and Water Conservation District. The trail passes through a mixed hardwood forest with several bridges crossing intermittent creek ravines. 2 miles of mowed paths traverse the 98-acre touch-the-earth natural area west of Columbus, which is known for hiking and birdwatching. The preserve supports a wide range of wildflowers, including butterfly weed, Queen Anne's lace, rose pink, and a variety of grasses. On its 233 acres, the Trevlike Bluffs Nature Preserve in northwest Brown County features a towering 200-foot bluff above Beanblossom Creek. In summer, the lush trail on the northern uplands supports pearl crescent butterflies, wild phlox, and massive fungal blooms. Trevlike Bluff's rare, native hemlocks and the Beanblossom Creek provide the only color in winter. Situated on the edge of Monroe Lake in southwest Brown County, the 62-acre Austin and Mary Ann Gardner Memorial Woods features a rugged, forested landscape with a terraced slope face that overlooks a deep valley. Its steep slopes and mature woods border the Hoosier National Forest to the north and east. Nearly a square mile in size just east of Brown County State Park, the 600-acre Laura Hare Nature Preserve at Downey Hill offers moderate to rugged hiking through precipitous, V-shaped hills and valleys that drop 100 to 200 feet. In late summer, fungi and hints of the autumn ahead provide color to the forest floor. The Jeremy Keith Oakley Preserve's 15 acres protect a forested creek ravine with an open field northeast of Bedford. It's a living memorial to, quote, provide a place for people, especially children, to understand the fragility and value of nature as a haven to all spirits to enrich the human soul. Situated just east of Bloomington, the 26-acre Pizzo Preserve protects steep, 200-foot forested slopes that rise above the North Fork of the Salt Creek, just above the North Fork waterfowl resting area. A trail ascends a hill and branches to a field owned by the Department of Natural Resources and the preserve's west border. Adjoining the Patoka River National Wildlife Refuge just east of Oakland City, the 1,043-acre Columbia Mine Preserve is part of a contiguous block of 5,000 protected acres south of the Patoka River. The preserve is jointly managed by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and is located just east of the Patoka's Snakey Point Marsh and Hugh Boyd and Maxey Marsh Trail areas. The Eagle Slough Natural Area, just north of the Ohio River in Evansville, protects 127 acres of bottomland forest and lakes. Its wetland and mature bottomland forest feature some of the largest bald cypress trees in Indiana. State threatened, bald cypress is a southern species and is rare this far north.